Hello friends, welcome to part 63 of Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series. So we will continue working on product filters, and in this part we are going to work on the product sorting via Ajax. Okay, so in the last part we have seen that we have done this one with refresh of the page without Ajax, and in this part we are going to do with Ajax without refresh of the page. We can see the results instantly. Okay, so I'm going to show you that we have done that listing page with sort by filter that is refreshing right now. Like if I'm going to select any of the filter like lowest price, if I will select here, you can see the page will refresh, and here you can see the parameter will go as sort equal to low to high, and you can see the results here. Low to high products are coming. Okay, and if I will select here the high price, then highest price products will come at the top, and so all the filters are working here but with the refresh of the page. Okay, so now we are going to do via Ajax, where we can see the results are coming instantly without the refresh of the page. So let's start. So first thing is that you are required to download the filter.js script from sidemakers.in website, from where you have already downloaded this template. Okay, at the same place, I hope that every one of you is having the credentials. So that same credentials will work by which you have downloaded the sidemakers template earlier on. Okay, so you can log in with that credentials, and after login, you can go to the download. Okay, so like you have downloaded that template. Okay, this template you have already downloaded. You can see, click here to download SideMaker's HTML responsive template. This one you have already done, and you can scroll down and you can see there are other scripts as well, free scripts I have provided you. And you can see one of the script is the download Ajax product filter. This one, Ajax product filter script for website. Okay, user with any website. Okay, use it with any website. So here you can click this filter, this Ajax filters. Okay, this filter.js file you can able to download, and I can see this one is downloaded. I'm going to cut from here and we'll put it in my folder. uh, it's in uh, it's in D drive, XAMPP, acidocs, personal, and I'm here at ecom 12, public, front, JS. Okay, inside it, I'm going to put it inside it. Okay, filters.js file. I'm going to show you that this file will contain all the required filters that we require for our filters. Okay, for the operation of sort by, as well as the other filter like filter by price, filter by color, filter by size, and other filters that we are going to add. Okay, so this script is used for all those filters. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to follow the instructions that you can find under video as well. So I'm going to include this filter.js in scripts blade file. So I'm going to open here script blade file, scripts blade file. I'm going to open at the front layout. So here you can see the custom script is already here, and after that I'm going to add the filter script as well that we have added inside our front.js folder. So we are going to include it as well inside scripts.blade.php file. Okay, so after that, we are going to update sort products. Here we are going to add the form. Right now we don't have any form. Okay, but now we are going to add the form so that we can to update it via Ajax. Okay, so I'm going to update this form here. I'm going to open the Ajax product listing now. Ajax product listing, and here I'm going to update this sort by. I'm going to open this one, see sort by. So this complete form I'm going to update. Okay, so I'm going to update it like this. Here you can see the values will remain the same. Only difference is that we have added here the option value. We have added the select box for our values. Okay, earlier on there was no select box. Okay, now we are using the select box with all the values. Okay, so that is required. And also you can see here hidden variable, okay, hidden variable for the URL. Okay, so we also required to pass this URL, this one that is required in this form. Okay, so that also we have added it as the hidden value. Okay, so after this we are going to add append products ID here in Ajax here in our index.blade file. Go to open the index.blade file under front view front sorry here, yeah, no, no, not this one. Resources, views, front, under products, this file. Okay, so under products there is the index.blade file. Open this file, and here you can see that we have included that Ajax products listing, but we have not added any ID, so that ID will help us to load this page, okay, via Ajax. Okay, so that ID we are going to add this ID append products. We are going to add it here. Okay, so after adding this ID, so now we are also going to update the pagination as well. Okay, so I'm going to open the Ajax products listing here. We are required to update this pagination script. We are required to add the sort here. Okay, sort option here, so that we can able to pass the sort option to the other pages as well. Okay, so we are going to update this complete div here, so that we can able to add the sort option as well. So finally, now we are going to update the product service to handle the Ajax, so that we will deduct Ajax calls and return only the updated product HTML as JSON. Okay, so we are going to update the product service now in front. So now first we are going to add facets view also at the top after this. And after that we are going to modify this get category listing data function, and here you can see that we are going to see if Ajax call, then we are going to add the script for the Ajax call, so that we can send the category details, category products, breadcrumbs, sector sort, as well as the URL via Ajax call. Okay, otherwise the if someone refresh the page, then we are going to return normally these variables we are going to return like we are doing it right now. But main thing is that this code we are required to add this code. Okay, so I'm completely going to modify this function. Okay, so you can see here we are calling the apply filters here. We have used that paginate with 12 products. Okay, and here we have done that Ajax call. Okay, and if we are using the filter, then this script will get called. Okay, so everything we are going to send via Ajax. So after this we are also going to see update this as well, so that here if there is any change request get. Okay, I will update here query. Yeah, there is maybe there is slight change. Okay, I don't think so, but we can update it as well. Okay, first let it try. So I'm going to refresh it. I'm going to remove this one. Let's see if it will work. Okay, because this is the last step, and after that we can test it. I'm going to inspect here. We'll open the console. If any error will come, then we are going to identify that. So I'm going to click on first. Here you can see the lowest price product. I'm going to make it highest price. Okay, let's click on highest and just see some issue is coming here. Go to check array merge. Okay, so I'm going to replace it as well. Let's see. I'm going to replace this one private function, this one as well. So now going to try once again. Going to clear this all. Still there is some error. To resolve this issue, I have modified one function here. I have modified here. You can see this get category listing data function once again. Okay. So I'm going to copy this function and we'll replace this function here. Get category listing data. Okay. You can see this is the final function here. Okay. So only thing is that we have passed that URL as well. Okay, so and also selector sort. Here we have added this one sort. Okay, and uh, other than this, everything will remain the same. So and see apply filters will remain the same, and we are going to modify the code at index function at product controller as well. Okay, product controller at front, and we are going to modify this index function in which we have called this Ajax here return JSON with rendered view. So this part, just this part is required to be copied. So I can just copy this part here, and rest everything will remain the same. And also one more thing in custom.js file, that is the earlier script that we have added when the page will refresh for the sort by filters that we are going to comment now, that is not required. So now we are going to test it. Okay, so I'm going to refresh here. I'm going to close this one, and you can see the lowest price products are coming at front. Okay, so now I'm going to try with the highest price, and you can see the highest price products are coming. Okay, and both are working fine. Lowest price, highest price. Okay, without the refresh of the page, all the products are updating here. And also we can use here the best selling. Okay, we can use the featured items, all are working fine. Okay, and like you can see the pagination as well, lowest price like 900, 2000, 2000, and another product is also 2000. And here see when we click on second product, here you can see that sort filter is working in the page as well. You can see one of the product is coming in the second page. We can go back to the first page. Okay, you can see the page equal to 1, and then again once again we can see rest of the three products are here. Okay, so here you can see the sort filter is working in the paging in the pagination as well. Okay, so it's working fine, and we can try with the other filters as well, like the latest items filters. Okay, this one is the latest products will come at the top, and we can try with the best selling, that is the random products are coming, and we can try with the featured items, and we can try with the discounted items. So only one product is on discount, so that's why this discounted item is coming via Ajax. Okay, so now you can see there is no page refresh at all, so filters are working via Ajax without the refresh of the page. Okay, so here only one product is in discounted item, so that's why only one product is displaying here. So these filters are working, and you can make these changes at your end as well. Just download this filter.js file and put it in your front.js folder. Add this in your scripts.blade file and make the modification at Ajax product listing. Here you can update the pagination as well, and also you must add it in index.blade file, that id append products. Okay, id you must add here, so that the products will come will load via Ajax. Okay, every time the products will load via Ajax with the append products, and then this you can disable this, that is not required at all. Everything we are doing here in filter.js file. Okay, and you can modify this index function here. You can call this Ajax. Okay, if there is the Ajax, then it is going to render its view here. Okay, and with this filter with these filters, and you can finally modify the product service with the get category listing data as well as the apply filters. So these are the changes that we have done for making the filters possible via Ajax. Okay, so I hope that you can able to do these changes at your end, and if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.